Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking key prerequisites, variable names, types, and consistent coding so Spss reads them correctly. Next, open Spss and import your file via File Open Data. Choose SAV, XLSX, or CSV. When the import dialog appears, preview the first 50 rows and set delimiters and encoding so strings do not shift columns. Once done, go to Variable View and confirm numeric versus string types. Set measure and decimals, and add value labels for categorical variables. Now you clean and transform. Start in Variable View to set formats, define missing values, and confirm value labels so analysis interprets categories properly. Then use Transform Compute Variable to create recoded variables, apply formulas, or run log and z-score transforms. Name new variables clearly. Make sure to use recode if collapsing categories. If you need subgroup work, use data select cases or split file to run steps only on subsets, and always keep a backup copy before overriding. Finally, run your analyses. Choose Analyze Descriptives, Crosstabs, Regression, or ANOVA depending on goals, and select appropriate statistics and plots. Once results look right, export output via File Export or save the SBV. Export tables to Excel or PDF for reporting. If something goes wrong, first check variable types and missing value definitions, then review the syntax and log for error messages. If problems persist, revert to your backup dataset and rerun key transform steps carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.